You know what's crazy? Most people live their entire lives following someone else's plan, their parents' plan, their boss's plan, society's plan, but never their own plan. And then one day they wake up and think, wait, is this really my life? Today, Max and I are going to show you how to take control of your life. And trust me, this isn't just about English. This is about you becoming the boss of your own story. Ready? Let's go.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing? Max, you're too kind today. What do you want from me?
Nothing. I'm just in a good mood because today's topic is super powerful. We're talking about taking control of your life.
Yes, and by the end of this episode, you'll learn simple English phrases to talk about goals, decisions, and dreams. Plus, you'll feel more confident about making your choices, not just following others.
Exactly. So if you're ready to learn English and get a little life advice at the same time, stay with us. This one's going to be special.
Let me ask you something, Max. When was the last time you felt totally in control of your life?
Good question. Honestly, maybe when I chose to start learning guitar last year. Nobody told me to do it, I just wanted to, and that felt amazing.
See, that's the feeling we're talking about, that I chose this feeling. And today, we're going to help our listeners get more of that feeling, in English, in life, everywhere.
Perfect. Let's start.
Okay, so first, let's talk about the phrase, take control. What does that mean?
Great question. Take control means you decide, you lead, you make the choices.
Yes, for example, imagine you always eat lunch where your friends choose, but one day you say, hey, today I want pizza. Let's go to the pizza place. That's taking control.
Exactly. You're not being rude, you're just expressing what you want, and that's healthy.
Right. Now, let's learn some simple phrases. Repeat after me. I want to take control of my life.
Say it out loud, everyone. I want to take control of my life.
Good. Now another one. I make my own decisions.
I make my own decisions. Beautiful. This is a strong sentence. It means nobody else chooses for you.
Exactly. And here's another good one. I'm the boss of my life.
I love that one. I'm the boss of my life. It sounds confident, right?
Totally. And confidence is key. When you speak with confidence, people listen. When you live with confidence, you feel happier.
So true. Now, Lily, let's talk about why people don't take control. Why do so many people just follow others?
Good question. I think it's because of fear.
Fear of what?
Fear of making mistakes, fear of looking stupid, fear of being different.
Yeah, that makes sense. So they just do what everyone else does. It feels safer.
Right, but here's the problem, Max. If you always follow others, you never discover what you really want.
Exactly. You become a copy, not the original.
I love that. Be the original, not the copy. That should be on a t-shirt.
Let's make it. Okay, so how do we start taking control? What's step one?
Step one is simple. Ask yourself, what do I really want?
That's it?
That's it. But most people never ask that question. They just do what their parents want, what their friends want, what Instagram tells them to want.
Instagram is the worst. Everyone looks so perfect, and you feel like you need to copy them.
Exactly. But real life isn't Instagram. Real life is about your dreams, your goals, your happiness.
So let's practice. Everyone listening, close your eyes for a second. Now ask yourself, what do I really want in my life?
Maybe it's a new job, maybe it's learning English fluently, maybe it's traveling the world. Whatever it is, it's yours. Own it.
Beautiful. And here's another phrase. I deserve to be happy.
Ooh, I love that. Say it. I deserve to be happy.
Everyone, repeat. I deserve to be happy.
Yes, and you know what? You do deserve it. We all do.
Absolutely. Now, let's talk about decisions. Big decisions, like choosing a career or moving to a new city or ending a relationship.
Yeah, those are tough.
They are, but here's the thing. You have to choose, not your parents, not your partner. You.
Right. And even if you make a mistake, it's your mistake. You learn from it.
Exactly. Let's learn this phrase. I trust myself.
I trust myself. That's powerful.
It is, because when you trust yourself, you stop asking everyone else for permission.
Yes, you stop saying, "What should I do?" And you start saying, "This is what I'm going to do."
Perfect. Now, let's do a quick example. Imagine you want to quit your boring job and start your own business, but your family says, no, that's too risky.
Okay, so what do you say?
You say, I understand your concern, but I've made my decision. I'm going to try.
Ooh, polite but strong. I like it.
Right? You're not rude, but you're also not changing your mind.
Exactly. And here's another phrase. I'm ready for the challenge.
I'm ready for the challenge. Nice. It shows courage.
It does, and courage is everything. Without courage, we stay stuck.
So true. All right, let's summarize what we've learned so far.
Good idea. So we've learned I want to take control of my life. I make my own decisions. I'm the boss of my life. I deserve to be happy. I trust myself. And I'm ready for the challenge.
Perfect. Now, let's keep going.
Wait. Before we continue, I need to tell you something important.
What?
I know most people think taking control means being selfish, but that's not true.
Ooh, good point. Let's talk about that.
Yes, taking control doesn't mean ignoring everyone else. It means respecting yourself and respecting others.
Exactly. You can listen to advice, but you make the final choice.
Right. It's your life, so you decide, but you can still be kind and considerate.
Perfect. Okay, let's continue.
All right, Max, I think it's time for a little role play.
Oh no, what are we doing?
Let's imagine you're talking to a friend who always makes decisions for you. They always choose the restaurant, the movie, the activity. And today, you want to take control.
Okay, I'm ready. You be the friend.
Okay. Hey, Max, let's go to that Italian restaurant again tonight.
Actually, I'd like to try something different. How about Thai food?
Ooh, good. You suggested something. But what if I say, no, I don't like Thai food?
Then I say, okay, what about we each choose one day? Today I choose, tomorrow you choose.
Perfect. That's fair. You're taking control without fighting.
Exactly. It's about balance. Now, everyone listening, try it. Imagine your friend always chooses everything. What do you say? Say it out loud. I'd like to choose this time.
Good. Another one. Let's take turns deciding.
Let's take turns deciding. That's great for compromise.
Yes, and here's a strong one. I want to do what makes me happy too.
I want to do what makes me happy too. Not selfish, just honest.
Exactly. All right, let's try another scenario. Imagine your boss gives you too much work. You're stressed. You want to say something. What do you say?
Ooh, tough one.
I'll be the boss. Max, I need you to finish these 5 reports by tomorrow.
I understand, but I'm already working on 3 other projects. Can we prioritize together?
Wow, that's professional. You're taking control without being rude.
Exactly. You're showing respect, but also protecting your time.
I love it. Let's teach that phrase. Can we prioritize together?
Can we prioritize together? It's perfect for work situations.
It is, and it shows you're a team player, but also a person with limits.
Exactly. Okay, everyone, practice that. Can we prioritize together?
Good. Now let's talk about something deeper. What if you're in a relationship and your partner always makes the decisions?
Ah, yeah, that's a big one.
It is. So what do you do?
You have an honest conversation. You say, I love you, but I need to have a voice in our decisions too.
Perfect. I need to have a voice in our decisions too. That's respectful, but clear.
Right. And if they don't listen, that's a red flag.
Absolutely, because a good relationship is about partnership, not control.
So true. All right, let's move on.
Okay, Max, let's talk about something really important. What if someone is afraid to take control because they might fail?
That's a great question. And honestly, failure is part of life.
It is, but failing doesn't mean you're a failure. It means you tried.
Exactly, and every successful person has failed many times.
Yes, let's learn this phrase. Failure is part of success.
Failure is part of success. I love that.
It's true. If you never fail, you never grow.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to take control just because you might make a mistake.
Right. Just try. And if it doesn't work, you learn. Then you try again.
Perfect. Now, here's another phrase. I learn from my mistakes.
I learn from my mistakes. That's a growth mindset.
It is, and a growth mindset is everything.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's recap what taking control really means. It means knowing what you want, making your own decisions, respecting yourself, being brave, and learning from mistakes.
Perfect summary. And all of this helps you live your life, not someone else's life.
Exactly. Now, here's a little bonus tip. If you want to take control, start small.
Ooh, I like that. Start small. What do you mean?
I mean, don't try to change your whole life in one day. Just make one small decision today.
Like what?
Like choosing what to eat for lunch, or choosing what movie to watch, or choosing to say no to something you don't want to do.
I love that. Small steps lead to big changes.
Exactly. And every small step builds your confidence.
So true. All right, everyone, here's your homework. Today, make one decision just for you, something small, and notice how it feels.
Yes, and if you want, share it in the comments. Tell us, today I chose to...
We'd love to hear it.
All right, Max, let's do a quick recap. What did we learn today?
Okay, here are the key phrases. Number 1, I want to take control of my life.
Number 2, I make my own decisions.
Number 3, I deserve to be happy.
Number 4, I trust myself.
Number 5, failure is part of success.
And bonus, I learn from my mistakes.
Perfect. Everyone, write these down. Practice them. Say them out loud every day.
Yes, because the words you say to yourself matter. If you say, I can't control my life, you won't. But if you say, I can control my life, you will.
Exactly. Words have power.
Oh, and before we finish, stay till the end because I'm going to give you one final powerful phrase that changed my life.
Ooh, I want to hear this too.
All right, everyone, we're almost done, but I want to leave you with something important.
What is it?
The phrase is this: my life, my rules.
Whoa, that's bold.
It is, but it's true. Your life, your rules. Not your parents' rules, not society's rules, yours.
I love it. And it's not about being rebellious, it's about being authentic.
Exactly. Be yourself, make your own choices, take control.
Perfect. So, everyone, we have a challenge for you. In the comments, tell us what's one thing you want to take control of in your life.
Yes, maybe it's your career, maybe it's your health, maybe it's your free time. Whatever it is, write it down. Share it with us.
And remember, taking control starts with one decision, just one. So make that decision today.
You got this. We believe in you.
And next time, we're going to talk about how to stop worrying about what other people think, because that's another big part of living freely.
Ooh, I can't wait for that one.
It's going to be great, so make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and come back for the next episode.
Thanks so much for listening, everyone. Remember, you are the boss of your life.
Take control, be brave, be yourself.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.